Welcome to Matchday Liverpool. Subscribe now for the latest Reds updates and never miss a moment.
Arne Slot's Reds are in Turkey to face the Super Lig Kings in Tuesday's Champions League group stage clash. But there could be some tired eyes among the visitors after their sleep was interrupted in the worst possible way. Liverpool aces, including Alexander Isak, Mohamed Salah and Florian Wirtz, will likely have jolted out of bed after Galatasaray fans launched a massive fireworks display outside their hotel. The supporters crept up to the building in the middle of the night, but they soon announced their presence by setting off multiple screeching fireworks around Liverpool's base. The incredible display lit up the dark skies of Istanbul, with videos of the incident posted online at 3:55 a.m. local time. Yet the noise alone will have been enough to stop any Red Star from getting a decent night's kip. The colourful display is just a taste of what Liverpool should expect tonight. The Turkish capital is famous for its passionate supporters, with the city divided up between fierce rivals Galatasaray, Fenerbahce and Besiktas. Galatasaray fans are sure to make an even louder noise when they welcome Liverpool to Rams Park, with flares and tifos often deployed to produce an intimidating atmosphere.